Namaskara practices alternatively contracts and releases the group of muscles. This creates pumping action in the veins and improves the return of blood to the heart. Namaste everyone and welcome back to Adiyogam. Surya Namaskara. Surya means the sun, Namaskara means the salutation to the sun. If you want to get the more benefits of this Surya Namaskara, spiritually, you should practice this at the time of sunrise and also can be practiced at the sunset. But if you want to get the benefits physically, this can be practiced anytime but on empty stomach. Surya Namaskara generates the heat, and this increased heat rises the blood flow to the muscles and makes the tendons and ligaments more pliable. Surya Namaskara practices alternatively contracts and releases the group of muscles. This creates pumping action in the veins and improves the return of blood to the heart. When the chamber of heart fills to an optimal level, the cardiac output increases and more blood circulates to the vital organs including kidneys and livers, and also sweating increases as well, aiding to detoxification of the blood. So that's the very important aspects of sun salutations, why you should practice every day. So let us understand the technique of classical sun salutation. Let's hop onto the mat. We have made a couple of videos on sun salutations, like the common mistakes and the variations, different level of intensity, how you can practice this classical sun salutation. So find the link in the description below. I'll find the link somewhere above here. inhale and exhale Pranamasana. 2 inhale Hasta Uttanasana. 3 exhale Padahastasana. 4 inhale Ashvasanchalanasana. 5 exhale Parvatasana. 6 inhale and exhale Ashtanga Namaskara. 7 inhale Bhujangasana. 8 exhale Parvatasana. 9 inhale Ashvasanchalanasana. 10 exhale Padahastasana. 11 inhale Hasta Uttanasana. 12 exhale Pranamasana.